of a cone. The top and the bottom diameter are 6 centimeters and 18 centimeters respectively. Then take pi to be 3.142. The question continues to say that given that its perpendicular height is 10 centimeters, then calculate the volume of a Frustum. Now, a volume of a Frustum is equal to 1/3, okay, then area of the bottom plus area of the top plus the square root of the product of the area of the bottom and the top, then you multiply with the height. So the first thing that we're supposed to do is for us to find the area of the top and area of the bottom. Now, if you look at this question very well, you observe that we're given the diameters for both the top and the bottom. So we know that diameter is equal to 2 radii, meaning when you're finding the radius for the small circle, you do 6 centimeters divide by 2 there, which is going to give us 3 what? 3 centimeters. Okay, and when you're finding the radius for the bigger circle, we'll say 18 centimeters divided by 2 there. This is going to give us 9 centimeters. So the radius for the bottom is 9 centimeters, and the radius for the top, it is 3 centimeters. Therefore, we can start solving this question. We shall say that area of the bottom is equal to pi r squared. I've used the capital R to represent that the bigger circle. So we shall say that pi is equals to 3.142, okay, multiplied by our radius, which happens to be 9 there, then you square. So this is equal to 3.142 multiplied by 9 squared, meaning it's 9 times 9. It's going to give us 81 there. So therefore, 81 multiplied by 3.142, that's going to give us 254.502 centimeters squared, meaning this is the area of the bottom. Okay, we can now find the area of the top, where we shall say area of the top is equal to pi r squared, of which our pi, it is 3.142 as instructed in the question. Then our radius is 3 centimeters, and you square. So we shall say 3.142 multiplied by, when you square the 3, it's giving us a 9. So 9 multiplied by 3.142, that's going to give us a 28.278 centimeters squared. So now that we have found the area of the bottom and the area of the top, we can now substitute in the formula there. So we are now going to say that volume of the Frustum is equal to 1/3. Now, area of the bottom, we found 254.502 plus area of the top we found at 28.278 plus, we shall say square root, okay, of the area of the base and then area of the top. So we shall say 254.502 multiplied by 28.278, okay? Then you close there, then you multiply by the height, which happens to be 10. So we shall continue by saying 1 over 3 multiply by the 254.502 multiply by 28.278 multiply by, now when you get your calculator and multiply 254.502 multiply by 28.278, it's going to give us 7,196.807. When you find the square root of that value, it's going to be 84.834 there. Then you multiply with a 10. So we shall say that 1 over 3 multiplied by, when you add now 254.502 plus 28.278 plus 84.834, this one, it's going to give us a 367.614, then multiply by 10. Therefore, when you multiply now 1 over 3 multiply by 367.614 multiply by 10, we are now going to find the volume of the Frustum, okay, which happens to be 1,225.38 centimeters cubic. So this becomes the volume of the Frustum for the question given on the screen. Now take note, sometimes your Frustum may have a rectangle base and may also have a square base together with the bottom. Please, the formula still remains the same. Okay, it will be 1 over 3 area of the bottom plus area of the top, then plus the square root of the product of area of the bottom and area of the top, then you close the bracket and multiply by the height.